tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a personal website for a resume. We will be using Canva for this example. With Canva, you'll be able to create a professional looking website even as a complete beginner for completely free. All you'll need to do is go onto canva.com and sign up using your email address. After you're signed up, you're going to tap on the search bar and I want you to type in resume website. After doing that, you will be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you'll be provided with hundreds of templates that you can quickly edit. So all you'll need to do is scroll down, and from here you can hover over the different templates, and once you have found one to your liking, you can simply select it. For example, you can see this template right here, and you can see that it does look professional, and you can see how it looks by simply scrolling down. You can preview how it looks. Once you have found one that you like, you will simply tap on customize this template. After tapping on customize this template, you will be redirected to a new page. On this new page, everything from here is basically drag and drop. So what do I mean by that? For example, you're going to be changing the photo. So all we'll need to do is go over to the left hand menu option, tap on uploads. After selecting uploads, you'll tap on upload an image and you're going to be uploading your photo right there. After you have uploaded your photo, let's say for example this one, all you need to do is simply drag and place it as you can see right there. After you have done that, you can tap on the text, and from here you could change the name to your name right there. So you can do that real quick. You can also change the text section right here. After you have done that, I'm going to be showing you to also add a link right here. So I'll be showing you how to do that. Before you'll be able to add a link, you'll need to name your pages. And what do I mean by that? For example, if I were to tap on preview from the top navigation bar, you'll see how your website looks. So you can see right there, and you can see that we have a navigation bar right here. So if we were to tap on about me, you can see carries us to the about me section, and you can also see your experience section right there. So to name a page, all you'll need to do is tap right where you see add notes, and from there you'll be able to add the page name right where you see home. But you can see that all of the pages on our website at the moment has been named already. So to add a link, all you'll need to do is simply tap on the button, or you can select a text. Then you'll see the link option appear. After the link option has appeared, let's say we would like to add an internal link. All you'll need to do is scroll down until you see pages in this document. After you have found that, you're going to scroll down, and let's say we would like to link them back to our contact page. We'll select contact page, then tap on done. So now once someone taps on this button to reach out, they'll be redirected to our contact page on which they'll be able to see our contact information. And again, if you would like to add an image right here, all you'll need to do is go over to the left hand menu option and drag and drop an image there. You can also edit the text section by simply tapping on it, and you can change any text section that you want. You can also change the background color of a page if you want by simply selecting the page. Then you could tap on the color box in the top left hand corner. From here you can scroll down and you can see the different colors, and you can select any one of these colors that you want. And if it is a case that you like to change all pages on your website, you could tap on change all in the bottom left hand corner, and it will change the color of all pages. As you can see right there, it typically changes the color of all pages, as you can see there. So you can see how it looks right there. Now you can continue editing each section. So for example, you can edit the experience and education section by simply tapping there. You can change the text. All you need to do is select the text section and you can type out your text. It is quite easy to do. Once you're finished editing your website, after scrolling down and making the changes, all you'll need to do now is tap on share. Now, if it is a case that you'd like to add back a link to your social media platforms, as you can see right here, the first thing you're going to do, you're going to select the icons, then you're going to tap on ungroup. After you have tapped on ungroup, you can select each icon. So for example, I can tap on the Instagram icon, then select the three dots, then I would tap on link, and I would paste in my Instagram profile link right here. After you have pasted in your Instagram profile link, you'll tap on done, and you can do the same thing for Twitter, betterly known as X, by tapping on the X icon. You'll tap on the three dots that says more, then you'll tap on link, and you'll paste in your X profile link. Once you're finished, all you'll need to do now is tap on preview from the top navigation bar. After tapping on preview, you can see how our website looks, and if we were to select reach out, you can see that it carries us to our about page right there. If everything is to your liking, you're going to tap on publish in the top right hand corner. After tapping on publish, you'll be provided with a URL, as you can see right here, and all you'll need to do from there, if you would like to edit the URL, you could tap on the pencil icon and you could edit the name of the URL. Once it is to your liking, you'll tap on the sticky, then you're going to tap on publish website, and your website will now be live. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.